Hello everyone, welcome back to Learning Penguin. You know we've all been there, saying good like it's the only word we own, or describing a maths exam as just sad. Not today. Today we are tossing those tired old words in the bin and replacing them with spicy SAT level power words. How was the movie? The movie was good. That sounds like you nibbled on the popcorn and left early. Try saying the movie was exceptional. It was Oscar worthy. It was outstanding. Even your popcorn deserves better words than that. Bad is for toddlers in traffic. You are better than that. Instead, say the weather was dismal. The launch was a disastrous mistake. Calling something easy is easy but boring. Try effortless, straightforward, because effortless sounds like you floated through it in a tuxedo. You have got words that mean something now. Words that hit harder than your morning coffee. But don't feel like you have to memorize everything at once. Start small. Practice in daily conversations. And you can always revisit this video whenever you feel like you need a quick refresher. This is Prakriti signing off. See you in the next one. Bye for now.